Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a kazoo, which is like a musical instrument that you blow through and makes a kind of high-pitched noise, depending on how you've made it. And all what you need for this one is just a log, a stick that you found, preferably something semi-clean because you're going to put your mouth on it to blow through it. And I've usually done it about like the width of my knuckle to my thumb. To the tip of my thumb, but you can do smaller than that. It's fine. Anything bigger might be too big. And you want it to be about 2 fists long, but again it can be smaller, just makes it a bit easier to work with. So a stick like this, then something, some like strong bit of grass or leaf. I've just picked this one, and then you might need some charcoal or something to just draw a little bit on it, and I'll show you what I mean by that in a minute. And what you need to do is just split this log down the middle. So I'm just going to do a bit of battling now to split that, and then I'll show you how to make a kazoo. So I'll split my stick down the middle, and all you need to do now, just put them together, and I just want you to try and imagine like a space wide enough for your mouth to blow through. I'm just going to draw a line with my charcoal so that it goes across both pieces. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is try and draw a line downwards from those bits to go across the kazoo. So draw a line down here like that, and then meet that one down here, so you got a bit of space like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this one. So I've got my 2 lines there, and they're going to go down like this and down like this. Okay, so once you've got those lines drawn, there's 2 ways you can do this. So what you want to do is try and make a stop cut on those lines. So you can press your knife in to that line like that, or my preferred method is to kind of get a mallet and place your knife over one of the lines and then hit the knife in. I'm just going to do that now, so that you've got your stop cut in there. Okay, so now I've got my stop cuts in there, and what I want to do is try and carve from the centre to the lines without going over the stop cut line. You don't have to take too much off, maybe like a millimetre or 2 millimetres, and that's going to create the hole for you to blow through. So one way of doing that, I found that with children perhaps, is just shading the area they need to cut, and then once you've got rid of all that black, you've probably carved enough. So shading that in there like that, and then once I've carved that should be enough. So I'm just carving from the middle to the stop cut, just trying to take the very top layer off. So see, you're cutting a bit off, and then turn it over so you can cut the other way. So almost there. And then just make sure you've evened it up on both sides. So you can see like there's a little bit of a gap forming, and just going to do it on the other side, the other stick, sorry. And then when you put them both back together again, if I've done it correctly, you should have a little gap in between the two. And you might want to just have a look at it and think, is there anything I need to fix or widen up quite a little bit? I think there's a little bit missing on that one. That one as well. The trick here is not to do too much carving though, because once you've carved it, it will come back. It's better to do not enough and do a bit more. So then you've got your hole like that, and then all you need to do is take a bit of your reed, just enough that it will go over the gap. And then put your close it up like that. Which side is it? This side. Now, some people like tie around here, which is a good idea. But you can just like grip it with your fists while you're just checking to see if it works. And there's like 4 ways it might work. So it might be that way, or turn it over that way, or try the other side, or turn it over that way. So if it doesn't work one way, keep turning it around, see if it'll work. Not that one. Almost. There we go. So you can make that sound, but maybe might want to turn it around and see if it works another way. No. Just the one way for this one. And I apologise to all the parents that I've sent these home with kids, because I'm sure it can be quite annoying to start with, or maybe after a while. But yeah, play around with the size of the stick, the size of the hole, the size of the reed, for different sorts of sounds. Thank you very much.